So how do you pronounce these three words? The first one, loss. ኪሳራ ማለት ነው። Example, profit and loss. ትርፍና ኪሳራ ስንል profit and loss.
Profit and loss statement.
Profit and loss statements.
Excellent. What about the second one? L-O-S-E with a single S. It's what? Lose. There is what? Z sound. Okay. የሆነ ነገር ጠፋብኝ ለማለት የምንጠቀመው ቃል ነው። lose. እስቲ አልፎ ቁልፍ ይጠፋብኛል ስሉ ምን ትላላችሁ በእንግሊዝኛ? I sometimes lose my keys.
Sometimes I lose my keys.
What about this word? It's what? Loose. It's ending with the sound. Loose. Okay, ምን ማለት ነው? ይህ ሸሚዝ ሰፍቶኛል ማለት ስፈልግ ምን እላለሁ? This shirt is loose on me.
This shirt, but it's very loose on me.
If you follow my channel, you're not going to be disappointed.